morning, students. Today we are going to see the MO energy level diagram for O2 plus, O2 plus plus, O2 minus and O2 minus minus molecular ion. In the previous lecture, we see the MO energy level diagram for oxygen atom, oxygen molecule. Oxygen can give the 2 bond order minus 4 beta amount of energy, and it is paramagnetic in nature. But when we consider the molecular ion, see, first we are going to see the MO energy level diagram for O2 plus molecule. O2 plus molecule. How this O2 plus will be formed? It will be formed by the oxygen plus ion, and then it can give O2 plus molecular ion. See, oxygen having atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. How this O2 plus is formed? See, this O2 plus, that is oxygen, it can give oxygen plus 1 electron. That means here electron configuration of O plus ion, 1 electron is less, and so here it's 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. See this electronic configuration of the both, that is the O and O plus. Now we are going to see the combination of this, particularly oxygen atom and oxygen plus ion. See, at the one side there is oxygen and another side there is oxygen plus. See the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. For the oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Now we are going to see how they will be fulfilled in the molecular orbitals which are formed in the combination. We see the detailed combination of the molecular orbitals. So here there is 1s combination. There are 4 electrons. They will be get occupied into the sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Similarly for the 2s combination, there is the 4 electrons, 2 in sigma 2s, 2 in sigma star 2s. And now in p orbitals, there are the 4 electrons in oxygen and 3 electrons in oxygen plus ion. And now they will be entered. Total there are 7 electrons. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here there is the only 7. So it is the less than oxygen. 1 electron is less than the oxygen, but it have the 1 unpaired electron. Now we are going to see the bond order for this, particularly O2 plus. See, electrons in BMO. Electrons in BMO, they are the 10. We calculated in the, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 10. Minus ABMO 2, 4 and 5. So 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. It have the bond order 2.5. That means bond order will be get increase than the oxygen atom. Now energy evolved as it is calculated by the formula. Here energy, stabilization energy is equal to electrons in BMO is 10 minus into minus beta into minus beta plus electrons in ABMO 5 into plus beta. So is equal to minus 10 beta plus 5 beta is equal to minus 5 beta. It is the stabilization energy. It is the stabilization energy. See, this bond order indicate that the bond order indicate that it have the bond order in between 2 and 3. It is the stronger bond than the oxygen. Stronger bond than the oxygen. Energy evolved is also the greater than the oxygen. Oxygen have the minus 4, but it have the minus 5 beta. So it is the stronger. Then we can consider here there is the O2 plus. So this O2 plus have the bond order 2.5. Its energy evolved is minus 5 beta. And electron, here there is only the 1 electron, and it is also the paramagnetic. It is also the paramagnetic. See, then second, is O2 plus plus. O2 plus plus. How that O2 plus plus will be formed? See, here we are going to see the O2 plus plus. See, O2 plus plus means oxygen ion plus oxygen ion. There is formation oxygen plus plus. See, here there is the oxygen plus, it have the electron configuration, that is, this is the electron configuration of O plus, and here we are going to see atomic orbitals of the O plus and atomic orbitals of the second O plus, 1s2, 2s2, and now here it is the 2p3. Similarly, here 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3. See now how they will be fulfilled. These 4 electrons, usually they are filled. 2s, there are 4 electrons, as usual they are fulfilling. Then 2p, here there are 3 electrons, and here there are the 3 electrons. And now we are going to see particularly the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no 7 electron, that means it will be the empty. See now, the bond order is calculated by using this formula, that is, see, BMO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means they are fulfilled having 10 electrons. ABMO 1, 2, there is no electron, that means 4. So that here there are the 4. So it is the 6. And now bond order is 3. Bond order will be get increase. Stronger bond. Then the energy involved. See, the energy is also, there is the particularly number of electrons in BMO 10, number of electrons in ABMO is 4, and this calculation will be, here there is the C, how it having the 6. See, this O plus plus, O2 plus plus and N2 having the same diagram. N2 molecule तो तुम्हाला आठवत असेल, if you can remember this, at that time it having the same 3 and minus 6 beta, it is strongly stabilized. So there is the formation. See, this O2 plus, it having the bond order 3 minus 6 beta and number of electrons 0. It is diamagnetic. It is diamagnetic. Then next molecular ion we are going to see the O2 minus. See this MO energy level diagram for O2 minus. How this minus? So see, this O2 minus is formed by the combination of oxygen oxide ion. It will be formed. See here, oxygen atom plus O minus. There is formation of O2 minus minus molecule. O2 minus minus molecule. See here, oxygen plus 1 electron, there is formation of O minus. Now electron configuration of oxygen, we know that it is the atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. And oxygen minus, it have one extra electron, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. See their combination. When we consider their combination, here at the one side there is oxygen atom, and at another end there is the oxygen minus. See, oxygen atom 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. See, oxygen minus 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. 1. See this particularly electronic configuration. In the combination, there is formation of the molecular ions. That molecular ions will get fulfilled by the electrons at 1s level. There are the 4 electrons, as usually they are filled. 2s level, they are as usually filled. And 2p level, there are 4 electrons from the oxygen and 5 electrons from the oxide ion. Now there are 4 plus 5, total 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we are going to calculate the MO energy level diagram. See, electrons in BMO 2, 4, 10. BMO 10. ABMO 2, 4 and 3, 7. So that there are the 7 electrons. See now, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, it is 1.5. Bond order is 1.5. Then energy calculated. See, electrons in BMO 10, electrons in ABMO they are 7. So that minus 10 plus 7 is equal to minus 3. Bond order is in between 1 and 2. Not in between, it is the double bond and the single bond. Molecule is stabilized by minus thrice beta amount of energy. So it can be exist. When we see the magnetic property, there is one unpaired electron. So this molecule is also the molecular ion is the paramagnetic. So see, here there is the bond order is 1.5 minus thrice beta, one unpaired electron, and it is paramagnetic. Then we are going to see the last molecular ion. That molecular ion O2 minus minus or O2 2 minus, O2 minus minus. See this O2 2 minus, O2 2 minus can form oxide ion plus oxide ion. There is formation of O2 2 minus. How it will be formed? By the combination. See the electron configuration of this particularly. Now oxygen plus one electron, there is formation of the oxide ion. So here there are the two oxide ions. See, atomic orbitals of the first oxide ion, atomic orbitals of the second oxide ion, and in between this there is the molecular orbitals of O2 minus minus. See, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Now, usually by the combination of atomic orbitals, there is formation of the molecular orbitals. BMO lower energy, ABMO higher energy. At the 1s level, there are two electrons. At the two orbitals, one BMO, one ABMO. 2s level also have the one BMO and one ABMO. And at the p level also, there are the 3 BMO and 3 ABMO. And electrons will be entered into now that orbital. See here there are the 4 electrons. Usually they are filled. 2s level there are 4 electrons, they are filled. At the 2p level, 5 electrons from first oxide ion, 5 electrons from the second. Total there are 10 electrons. See that 10 electrons enter into the orbitals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to calculate the bond order. See, bond order 1/2 in bracket electrons in BMO minus electrons in ABMO. BMO 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. ABMO 2, 4, 6 and 8. So that here there are the 8. That means here 2 by 2 is equal to 1.0. Bond order is 1. There is single bond between O minus ions. Then see the energy evolved. Electrons in BMO 10 into minus beta plus electrons in ABMO 8 is equal to minus 10 beta plus 8 beta is equal to twice beta. So that here twice beta. See, when we consider bond order is here 1, energy evolved is minus twice beta, number of unpaired electrons is 0, so it is diamagnetic. So here it is the 1.0, it is minus twice beta, the energy unpaired electrons are 0 and it is the diamagnetic. So when we compare the oxygen atom with its molecular ion, at that time, see very magic things are occurs. Bond order for the oxygen it is 2, for O2 plus it is 2.5. For O2 2 plus, it is 3. For O2 minus, 1.5. For the O2 minus minus, 1.0. That means here, as the positively charged molecular ion, bond order will be get increased. It will become the more stable. It also reflects by the energy. This O2 plus plus is more stable than oxygen. O2 plus is more stable than oxygen. Then O2 minus, it have the 1.5. Energy involved is minus 3 beta. It is less stable as compared to O2 molecule. O2 minus minus, it have the bond order 1. Energy involved is minus twice beta. Unpaired electrons is 0. But when we compare with the energy, it is less stable than the O2. When we can compare these ions with one another, from the bond order, it is indicate that higher is the bond order, shorter is the bond length. Higher is the bond order, shorter is the bond length. So it have the shorter bond length, then it have the slightly large bond length, it have the slightly large bond length. But when we can compare the bond length, O2 twice minus, it have the highest bond length. Then O2 minus, it have the again second last highest bond length. But stability will be decreases. As the bond length increases, stability will be decreases. Thus we can compare this oxygen and its molecular ion in terms of the bond order, in terms of the energy, in terms of the stability, in terms of the bond length, as well as the paramagnetic and the diamagnetic behavior, which will be depends on the number of unpaired electrons or the paired electrons. Thus this oxygen atom is very important molecular ion, which are all ions, molecular ions are the stable, that stability will be vary accordingly.